Hello students, myself Sanjay Setia, Senior Lecturer at NM College of Pharmacy, Hanumangarh, Rajasthan. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on crude drugs containing glycosides. Drugs containing glycosides. These drugs are important from examination point of view. So first drug we start with senna leaves. Synonym. Synonym is Tinnevelly senna, known as Indian senna. Alexandrian senna, called as Egyptian senna. Now biological source. It consists of dried leaflets of Cassia equitifolia. This is the biological source of Alexandrian senna, and Cassia angustifolia, biological source of Indian senna. Belonging to family Leguminosae. Geographical source. Alexandrian senna generally grows in Egypt, upper and middle Nile territories, whereas Tinnevelly senna, Indian senna, it grows in Tinnevelly, Madurai and Ramanathampuram districts of Tamil Nadu. Now the macroscopic characters. First we will deal with the macroscopic characters of Alexandrian senna. Color. The color is pale grayish green color. Odor is faint. Taste is mucilaginous and slightly bitter. Shape ovate to lanceolate. Size is 2 to 4 centimeter long and 7 to 12 millimeter wide. Margin is entire. Apex is acute. Now we will deal with the macroscopic characters of Indian senna, that is Tinnevelly senna. Color, it is pale green color. Odor faint. Taste mucilaginous and slightly bitter. Shape is lanceolate. Size 2.5 to 5 centimeter long and 7 to 8 millimeter wide. Margin is entire. Apex, it is less acute as compared to Alexandrian senna. Now the chemical constituents of the drug. Senna contains anthraquinone derivatives. These are the main glycoside, anthraquinone glycosides present in the drug are senosides A, senoside B, senoside C and senoside D. Senoside A and B are the active constituent of the drug and are present up to the concentration of 2 to 3%. Whereas senoside C and senoside D are the minor constituents. Senosides A and B are the isomers of each other and are dimeric glycosides. Senna also contains rhene, camphorol, allomodine and isoramidine. The two naphthalene glycosides present in the drug are 6-hydroxymucigene glycoside. It is present in Alexandrian senna. And Tinnevelly glycoside contains Tinnevelly glycoside is present in Tinnevelly senna. The inactive constituents present in the drug are like myricyl alcohol, phytosterol, salicylic acid, mucilage, rhene, and calcium oxalate. Now the chemical test of the drug. The drug is positive in Born-Trigger test. It's a very important test, modified Born-Trigger test. In this you have to take the drug, 0.01 gram of the drug is taken, and add 5 ml of 5% solution of ferric chloride and 5 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid. Heat it and cool it, then filter it. To the filtrate, add an organic solvent like benzene and shake it. Then separate the benzene layer and add equal amount of ammonia. A pinkish red color is formed in the ammonical layer. This confirms the presence of anthraquinone derivatives. So this was the modified Born-Trigger test. Now the uses of the drug. Senna leaves are used as laxative. It causes irritation of the large intestine and have some gripping effect. Therefore, they are prescribed along with the carminatives. Senna is stimulant cathartic and exerts its action by increasing the tone of the smooth muscles of the large intestine. So this was the Senna. Now next drug is rhubarb. Rhubarb. Synonym: Rheum, Revan chini. In Hindi it is called as Revan chini. Biological source: Indian rhubarb consists of dried rhizomes of Rheum australe, belonging to family Polygonaceae, and the drug is collected from the plants which are 6 to 7 years old before this flowering season. There are certain types of other types of various species of rhubarb are also available, like Chinese rhubarb. If we talk about the Chinese rhubarb, then Chinese rhubarb are obtained from the rhizomes of Rheum palmatum and Rheum officinale, belonging to family Polygonaceae. But here we will deal with the Indian rhubarb, that is, which is obtained from the Rheum australe. Geographical source: Rheum australe, rhubarb is grown in India, China, Nepal, Tibet, Korea, Germany, and various European countries. In India, rhubarb is grown in Jammu and Kashmir and Sikkim. Macroscopic characters of the drug. Color: rhizomes are brown to yellowish brown. Odor: fragrant. Taste: bitter and astringent. Shape: barrel shaped. Size: 2 to 20 centimeter in length and 1.5 to 2 centimeter in diameter. Now the chemical constituents of the drug. Rhubarb contains anthraquinone derivatives up to the concentration of 2 to 4.6%, and these derivatives are classified into 4 groups. First, anthraquinones with carboxyl group like rhene and glucorine. Second is anthraquinones without carboxyl group like alloimodine, imodine, and cryophenol. Third is anthrones or dianthrones of alloimodine, imodine, or cryophenol. Third is heterodianthrones like palmidine A, palmidine B, and palmidine C. Palmidine A is derived from imodine anthrone and alloimodine anthrone. Palmidine B is derived from chrysophenol anthrone and alloimodine anthrone, whereas palmidine C is derived from chrysophenol anthrone and imodine anthrone. Rhubarb contains renolic acid, pectin, fat, starch, and calcium oxalate crystals. Rhubarb also contains astringent compounds like glucagallin, epicatechin gallate, catechin, and free gallic acid. Chemical test. Rhubarb give positive result with modified bond trigger test, as I have explained you in the SENA. Modified bond trigger test I have explained you in during SENA. Second test is, to the powdered drug add 5% of the potassium hydroxide solution. It will give a blood red color. Third test is, to the drug add ammonia. It gives pinkish color. Now uses. In larger doses, the drug acts as purgative because it contains anthraquinone derivatives. But in small doses, it is used to treat diarrhea in children. In smaller doses, it is also used as stomachic. Now the third drug, cascara. Cascara bark. Synonym is cascara bark. Sacred bark. These are the two synonyms of, commonly used synonyms of cascara. Biological source. Cascara is the dried bark of Rhamnus pursiana. Dried bark of Rhamnus pursiana belonging to family Rhamnaceae. Geographical source. Cascara bark is the native of Pacific coast of North America. It is also cultivated in British Columbia, California, Washington, and Kenya. Macroscopic characters. Color. Externally, the bark is purplish brown, and internally, the bark is reddish brown. Odor is characteristic nauseous. Taste persistently bitter. Shape, it occurs in quills or in curves also. Size 10 to 20 centimeter in length. Width is 2 centimeter and 1.5 to 4 millimeter thick. Now the chemical constituents. Chemical constituents of the drug. Cascara bark contains anthranol derivatives. Cascara bark contains O-glycosides in the concentration of up 80 to 90%, and C-glycosides 10 to 20%. It also contains 4 primary glycosides, which are called as cascarosides. Cascarosides A, cascarosides B, cascarosides C, and cascarosides D. Cascarosides A and B are the primary glycosides of alloin, and cascarosides C and D are the primary glycosides of chrysoalloin. Except this, the bark also contains barbaloins, chrysoalloin, various dianthene of imodine, alloimodine, chrysophenols, heterodianthrones like pamidine A, B, and C, free alomidine, and imodine crassophenol. Chemical test. Modified bond trigger test gives the positive result, which I have explained you. Uses. Cascara is used as tonic. It also acts as stomachic in small doses. And it is also used as cathartic if it is given freely. Cascara has been long used as laxative. It is also used as laxative from a long time. So, students, today we have deal with the three drugs. Thank you. Take care.